Soonseal Packaging Machine can realize automatic feeding, prevent dust. Automatic bag feeding. Automatic bag opening. Automatic loading. Automatic bag sealing, and the whole process is fully automated, which greatly reduces labor costs. Soonseal machines have a small footprint, fast packaging, and accurate measurements with small errors. The operation is simple, and the control panel supports multi-language settings. Test machine and debugging will be carried out before delivery to ensure that the machine can run normally. If you want to know more packaging solutions, please follow and contact us.